If you're looking for the top 5 things to do in Missoula, Montana, then you are in the right place. But first, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it. Kicking things off with number 5 on our list of the best things to do in Missoula, Montana, we have Waterworks Hill. This easy 3.5-mile hike is perfect as the trailhead is right in town. It's only a 700-foot elevation gain and it is perfect for sunset. You can see it dropping behind the city with a perfect western sky. I'm also recommending this for sunset as it is extremely exposed, so you would be very hot during the midday. But at the cooler hours, it's perfect for taking the kids or just getting out to stretch your legs. Coming in at number 4 is Floating the River with the Clark Fork Yacht Club. You can rent giant pink floaties from them for $20 to $30. They drop you off at your river access and then you walk back up and drop your tube off. This is really just a great way to spend a day on the river. Drop off and pick up is super easy. You don't have to worry about transfer or bringing along your own floaties. You just show up and have a good time. And number 3 of our list of the best things to do in Missoula, Montana is horseback riding with the Dunrovin Ranch. They offer trail rides into the Bitterroot Wilderness ranging from an hour and a half to 4 hours long with a price point of $125 to $295 per person. Riding along the Bitterroot River is super fun and they even have an osprey nest that lives right above the ranch. Hidden high in the Garnet Mountains east of Missoula is number 2 on our list, the Garnet Ghost Town. Considered the best preserved ghost town in Montana, this mining town was erected in the 1800s. Full of spooky buildings to explore, this fun area is full of educational opportunities, and it's only $3 per person over the age of 12 to enter. And number 1 of the best things to do in Missoula, Montana is whitewater rafting with the Montana River Guides. They offer scenic, family-friendly float trips or heart-pumping, adrenaline-inducing whitewater through the Alberton Gorge or the Blackfoot River. With trained and professional guides, they offer some excitement for your trip to Missoula. So if you're looking to spice it up, Montana River Guides is the way to go.
Nice, nice. This is almost fun.
There it is. I hope you enjoyed this no-nonsense video of the top 5 things to do in Missoula, Montana. To check out the full video of everything we did while visiting Missoula, click the video below. And if you got some great ideas of what you would like to do on your trip to Missoula, make sure to leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next wandering.